Ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick overview of the 2015 SCION TC that we have in stock at Fitzgerald Auto Mall in Gaithersburg. This one is the beautiful Blizzard Pearl color, and you can see on the front the LED fog lights, the high intensity headlights right there, two-tone performance alloy wheels right there, the distinctive SCION logo. Come over here, you can see your turn signal indicators on the side mirrors. Beautiful panoramic moon roof right there. You can see the panoramic moon roof right there. This is a coupe. It's a two-door coupe. Come on the inside here. You can see the beautiful two-tone water repellent fabric, a gray and black fabric. This is automatic transmission. You can see your Bluetooth display Pioneer sound system with the SCION logo. This is a custom sound system for SCION by Pioneer with a CD player and hands-free setting as well. Look over here and you can see the panoramic moonroof right there. Right there. I'm going to show you that panoramic moonroof. You can see it from the inside right there. I'm going to come over to the back as well, just so you see how beautiful this thing is. Look at it right there. Look at the back. Right there with the distinctive TC logo. And then you have your snap tonneau cover. And there's your trunk with your spare tire and tools. If you would like this in your driveway, you want to call Chris Ogene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. This is price to sell. Again, 2015 SCION TC in the beautiful Blizzard Pearl, and you want to call Chris Ogene at 202-607-9517 as soon as possible. I'm going to come back to the front just so you can see what it looks like on the front. Look at it right there. And then you can see the incredible price of less than $15,000 right there. Call Chris Ogene, 202-607-9517. Come get this today.